Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Microsoft has issued, of course, its financial results. And like other companies, what is interesting in those financial results is how to try to get information about Windows and Windows 11 particularly. So what we know is that when you look at all the numbers, Windows is giving Microsoft $10 billion in revenue every quarter. So that would mean that it's about $40 billion a year. What's interesting in there is that we don't have any numbers. If you guys remember, when Windows 10 appeared on the market, Microsoft was happy to say how many millions of PCs were running Windows 10, and they would update that number about once a year and a half. And we came to the point where they said there was 1.5 billion PCs. Now they're not giving any numbers for Windows 11, and I think the reason they're not giving any numbers for Windows 11 is that it's not going very well. What is interesting in here is that one of the numbers they did give about Windows 11 was that the adoption rate of Windows 11 was up 50% year over year. Now, there's no way to really verify this, but when we look at the numbers from StatCounter, what we see is that year over year it bumped up maybe 14%. I don't know where Microsoft gets their 50%. But is it a flat-out lie, or they have a very unique way of calculating this? I don't know. But one thing for sure is that I can't really see 50% growth of Windows 11 in a year in any number and any ways right now. So this is very unique and very interesting. We'll see. Tomorrow is going to be August 1st. We'll check the StatCounter numbers and see how much PCs have grown in this month, in the month of July, and how Windows 10 has dropped. But I don't know. These numbers are kind of weird when you look at it. So only time will tell, I guess, what is the exact number of Windows 11, because we know StatCounter gives us an idea, but it isn't precise also in the way that it calculates this number. So that's also something to take care of. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.